To be sure you never miss a Tech Ninja video, tap on the bell icon right next to subscribe. Hey, what's up guys? Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and today I'm gonna try out a new series called Budget Setups. And today we're gonna talk about something you can use to enhance your setup and not spend a lot of money. Light strips. Light strips can do so much for a setup, and I'm using a ton of them down here. Let's say you don't have Lithics or Hue bulbs and you just want a good light strip that's affordable but not cheap enough where it just stops working in a week. I got the perfect one for you. This is the Dream Color Music LED strip from Minger. Over the past few years, I've had a lot of other light strips, so I went to eBay and bought some extremely cheap light strips that didn't last too long. And also I've had Lithics light strips that are very expensive, but they kind of fit into that ecosystem. But as a standalone light strip, there's a couple things that are important to me. Number one, gotta have a good price. And number two, I like to have a lot of features, and I wanna use my phone as a controller and not actual controller, because I'm gonna lose that thing. So this is the Dream Color Music LED strip from Minger. It's $30 for 16.5 feet. Now these light strips connect to a controller, and that controller has a power button, has a modes button, and also a microphone. And this gives you ability to use your phone as a controller, and also it can hear ambient sound. And I'll talk about that shortly. To connect with your phone, you use an app called the iMoment app. And within the app, you have 7 scene modes. You have morning, sunset, movie dating, blinking, and candlelight. Each mode you select has its own color settings and brightnesses, and these are just like some default scenes if you just want something quick. So like candlelight has this warm flickering light that simulates a candle, and so on and so forth. Now with that microphone, you have that music mode, and it changes the lights depending on the sound. So if you're watching an action movie, the strips will be flickering around to the sound, or if you're listening to music, the lights will be pulsing to the rhythm of the music.
Beastly game thus far, we'll shoot a bear.
There's also different types of arrangements for lighting, so you can have it do different things. There's a couple options in here you can kind of play around with and see which one works the best. Color mode lets you just pick the solid color, and there are 16 million color combinations. Overall, for $30, this is actually a really good light strip. As I said before, a light strip can just add to anything that you have to make it look a lot better. I have light strips all over the place. I have them in my cabinets. I have them underneath couches, and just light strips kind of adds that extra layer of just techie to anything. Really good pickup for 30 bucks, you can't go wrong. There's also a coupon code linked below. I also reached out to them to set something up special for my subscribers, so there is a coupon code linked down below, and also there is a giveaway. Information for the coupon code and giveaway for a chance to win one is linked down below. If you like budget setup videos, make sure you let me know down below and I'll keep making these videos. Anyways guys, I'm Kevin the Tech Ninja. Have a great day. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.
KTTN, say it again. Tell a friend that it's him again. Yo, real talk, opinions gonna be sharper than 4K. Scope squad, eat it up, simmer it, saute. Ninja got reviews and brands galore. You ain't never seen a channel like this before. No.